This is Bauer C1 Super 8 camera. Very good condition, solid body, very compact, nice lens, very clean as you can see, manual zoom, no automatic zoom, 3 frame rates, 12, 18 and 24. In order to get it working, you would need a coin to open the lid underneath here. Inside is the place where the 4 AA batteries go. As you can see, there are some signs, you need to follow them so you can get the camera working. It's very important the batteries to be in the correct way. And now those models are a little bit hard to close, as you will see in a second. You need to press at the back first, then you would definitely need a coin, press down and spin. Okay. Once it's in, it's working. So we have 12, 18, 24. I'll leave it on 18 for now. As we notice, the very clean lens, very smooth focus as well, works as well. The great thing about this camera is that there is a light meter that doesn't require an extra battery, and the light meter works perfectly and very correct. We test the camera with an expired cartridge that's a Chrome 40. We mark the cartridge, we put it in, close the lid, press, just a second, take it out and let's see what's here. As you can see, no mark there anymore. The camera works very well. Fume gate and motor work together simultaneously. A very nice cam, very compact, great for a beginner. And please like, follow, subscribe and enjoy your new Super 8 camera.